Baby, you know I like you so much. And I'll do anything for you in as much as you're ready to do anything for me.
Of course.
Okay, so there's this feeling, yeah. Like I've never felt that before, and I really want to know how it feels. Yeah, I really want to feel like that. Okay, you know no one can do this for me except you.
Really, nigga?
Okay, I want you to make me feel so happy and so sad at the same time.
Happy and sad at the same time.
Yes, baby.
That is a mega feeling.
You know that.
You are good in chopping love.
So sweet.
Are you happy?
Yes, baby, I'm so happy.
Better than your younger sister.
What do you mean by better than my younger sister?
You've gotten the feeling. That is okay. I've done my part.
Hey! Don't know. Baby. Don't know why.